welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about this. This is only part of what we got from Japan this time. It's all the ones that don't have a box, because all the boxes, like the one that have boxes, are at the back.
Yes.
You might be able to see it.
We'll do those ones next, but we're trying to get through these guys first.
And we'll later on need to try to find a space for them too. So we got a lot of Demon Slayer in here. We got a lot of characters from One Piece as well. Hey, this one, if you know who is she, let me know, because I am not sure.
Yeah, this one's from Book Off, right?
Yeah, all the some of this, I think most of them, those without the box, are from Book Off, because we found one of the Book Off. They actually have pretty good price for the figures. Like they all sell secondhand figures, but then at the same time it's like I don't see any difference or any.
They just don't have any boxes though.
Yeah, I guess they don't have any box, but it's not really a big deal for us to collect.
Especially since we open all the boxes to bring back, or else we won't be able to bring them back.
Oh yeah, if you watched the last video, you would know we bought quite a bit of stuff with 4 big luggages, so we have to unbox almost everything, and then put the things in the box and put more box in the boxes. So if you want to learn how to do it, maybe one day we'll do a video on how to pack, but this time let's focus on the figures. So if you know who this is, let me know in the comments, because I didn't watch the anime or manga at all. But here she is. And then behind her you can see Law.
This guy's from One Piece.
One Piece. And then I think this one is way cheaper. Even though the size is pretty big, it's because it should come with another head that is eating rice ball, but then this one they don't have it, so to us it's okay. We don't really change it once we put it up, and you can take the
sort out. And I think this one looks cooler than the other one, so.
Oh yeah, and then for this one there's a base so that it doesn't fall down. Oh. So that's why you have to put the base down for some of them, because when I try to put the base for Nami behind, I'm I don't think she needs one, so I'm just gonna separate it and keep it for some other figure if we need it later on. But yeah, at first,
I like the detail on the jeans too.
Oh yeah. Just all of them. So we'll put it in here. Next we have, I don't remember his name. Can I even put it up? How do I do it? Oh, okay, because we actually separate the base and the figure too. Oh, this one came off as well. So from the back. Oh, you just stab on his butt. That's pretty funny. And then this is a little bit weird. What's it pointing at? Maybe he's doing something else. I don't know, but hey, you can see. Okay, I remember all the names, so I only know their name
in Chinese.
In my head in Chinese. So I might actually look at my cheat sheet, and this is Shirahoshi. We call it boxing in Chinese or in Cantonese. So I think it is like this. Because there's 2 holes in the bottom, but even the base, you can see it's super detailed, even in the bottom. because it's like technically no one see the bottom, but they make it very detailed. And on the scale, you can see in here.
And is this one the Taiwan one, or is this the?
I actually don't remember. Yeah, we got a little bit from Taiwan and Korea as well. I think we only got one from Korea, and that's hand. Oh, there you go. Oh. And then we also got a Luffy. We got it in Osaka, and it's in a old lady's house. So it is like, it felt like a little bit more old secondhand when we got it. But even that, they take care of their figure so well that we're like, oh, doesn't really matter. We got, oh, sorrow. Okay, this is a mess, but we'll take care of it later. We got the bottom. And then we got the top. Oops. The top half. Oh, is this one a little bit broken? Oh, I think. Oh, wait. Okay. I thought it was broken. But it's actually. They just split it up for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe because how they put it in the box. But. It's actually a connecting part. Oh, this one can then stand by itself, but it also comes with a base. If we want to use it, it's for this.
Any small ones are pretty nice. Small piece.
So it doesn't really look like it has it. Yeah, even though it's secondhand, like it comes with a pretty nice bag, and it's actually easier for us to bring it back here. And they're super nice. Like they put this one in here as well, in a separate bag. Even look at the hand. It's like crazy detail that they do.
You can see the veins.
It's really cool. And it's pretty cheap too, like compared to
here.
Canada, US, North America in general. We got, whoops. Oh, there we go. Sand. Oh, wait. What?
What?
That's also her, but without head or tail or anything else for now. Okay.
So we'll need to unbox the other ones and see where it went.
We'll find it. We'll find it later. But let's put it like this for now. It's like we bought too many, and then when we try to pack them together so that we can fit it into our suitcase, it's like you put a little bit here and a little bit here, and then when you unpack everything, you're like, wait a minute, where's my, like the other part kind of thing. So we'll find it later. This is pretty funny. Oh, it doesn't need a stand neither. So, oh, and then see this one as well. Oh, no, I found it.
This one's from Osaka.
Yeah, this one we got it at the same time. These are like the older toy, I guess. Like. And we got it when we got the Luffy we just talked about. then we have another Nami in here. There's a smaller one. And we just need to, you know what? Okay, we need a stand though. And I need to find out which stand is for you. Or maybe there isn't any. Oh, no. Okay, to be honest, this one has a high heel imprint, so then it fits the high heel that
It should
Nami
fit
has.
this Nami, but
Yeah, I guess it should fit it, but no. Nope. Okay, we'll find. Maybe the stand is somewhere else. But for now, what can we do with this? Whoops. Oh, this is pretty soft too, the hand. So you can actually... Oh, the hand is actually soft.
interesting.
It's a little bit, it feels a little bit weird because all the other ones is pretty still. Oh, that's how. Okay. There you go. For now. Until we found the base. Okay, let's open some. Oh! Spy Family. Mom. And then Anya. I'll say Anyas are in boxes. Because we got more than one Anya. And they look exactly the same. Their looks are identical. Okay, so there's two are from One Piece 2. We actually got them from Claw Machine. And it was like a one time and then you get it. It's not the tricky one. So
For
that was good.
200 yen.
So that was good.